Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. To this video magluluto po ako ngayon ng beef teriyaki. Tara guys. Ito po yung mga ingredients. Meron na tayong beef solomillo, sesame oil, mirin, teriyaki sauce, salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, at meron din na tayong grated garlic at saka yung ating ginger. Ayan, maglagay na ako guys ng sesame oil. Ayan, sesame oil, saka yung mirin, at saka yung 1 cup na teriyaki sauce, black pepper, salt, at saka yung cayenne pepper natin. At saka nating mix hanggang well combine guys yung ating sauce. At saka ko ilagay yung meat. I-marinate lang natin siya guys ng 1 oras. Ayan, masarap ito guys for sure. Ayan, linagyan ko siya ng cling film guys at ilagay ko sa chiller para mamaya. Ayan guys, prinito na namin yung solomillo at saka yung sauce. Ayan, plating na guys. Ayan yung salsa. Saka yung ating red onion. Then sesame seeds. Perfume. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.